Hi there, welcome. My name is Kenny Claris. Welcome to this next lesson. This lesson is chapter 4, Melody and Chords Together, of the Growth module, the Advanced module. All right, so let's dive right into it. We will learn the song Laal Meri. We will only play the chorus for now and not yet the complete song. So that's the melody. It's in B flat. Now, what I suggest is play a B flat chord in all the different inversions. So I presume that you know all the chords and inversions. So this is basic fundamental knowledge that you learned in the Awakening module of the Harmonium Evolution course. So B flat, and there are, different ways how to play it. Root position, first inversion, second inversion. And you can play it many places, a B flat. And so you can just start with playing B flat all over the keyboard and play a B flat scale. Now, in this Qawwali, Laal Meri, very famous, there is use of the E, and that is coming from Yaman, Rag Yaman, and this is very common in Indian music, so that we do. So that's always a good idea to start playing the scale, playing some chords to become familiar with the scale of the song. Right, so at some places we will only play melody. At some place we will then add chords. It's not the whole time that we have chords. It's at some places, right? But this is an exercise to train your skills, playing chords and melody together. That is an important skill on the harmonium. It's very beautiful. And the thing is that we are now not only playing chords or rhythm patterns to accompany a singer. Normally there will be a singer or you are singing yourself. But this is kind of an exercise to, when you play solos, you would do the same. You would play a melody, but also play chords at the same time, right? So that is the exercise. It's to get more training in your fingers. So all this chapter 4 is about learning how to play melodies and play the melody with chords together. All right, so we start with this note, D, second finger, Laal Meri pat. Now I will play some embellishments. You don't have to copy the embellishments for now. You will learn the embellishments later. But I will play them anyway, so it sounds a bit more nice. And also you have an idea how the embellishment sounds. It's also important to learn them and to get familiar with them. But you don't have to copy them because they will be a bit too fast or a bit too complicated. And so that's not important for now, right? So, second finger on the D, Laal Meri, fourth finger, add the chord, B flat, then Rakio Balan, chord, F in the second inversion, G minor, second inversion, then Okay, till there. So from the top. Laal Meri pata. All right. So let's break this down. Second bit. So it's gonna be Laal Meri pata. Sorry. A second finger. F chord, G minor, G minor in a first inversion, this there's no chord there. And then we give an accent and we stop on the B flat chord. It's a B flat second inversion. Accent. Also give this power with the bellows. Accent, right? And then we stop. And all the percussion and everybody stops there. Damada mastekalana, and we continue again, right? So, but for that's an important stop. It's very nice. So from the top. Laal Meri pata. G minor. Let me play that once more. Then we have Damada Mastakalandar. So that is nice to have these little short notes there. You can only play this when you have enough power. So really get enough air with the bellows. Otherwise you cannot get these little accents. So you don't be too afraid to give enough air. You cannot give too much air if you're not playing. If you're playing, that's fine. Just you can play quite loud. It's fine. And especially this kind of music, Qawwali songs, is very, very important to play with a full energy. So don't be afraid to use a lot of air and also accent, and it gets nice. But always play. You can never pump if you're not playing the notes, because the air cannot escape and you can break the harmonium inside. So that's delicate. So you shouldn't do that, right? So always play when pumping, and you can go loud, that's fine. But at least you should press keys. That's important. And it's always a bit the same. So it's Damadam Mastakalandar, Ali Dam Dam Danander, Damam Dam Mastakalandar, Ali Dam Pehla Number. It's all similar. And now we have the end again. Laal Meri pata, Laal Meri. And then it's done already. So it's quite of a short chorus, but very, very powerful and very, very nice. Now, so how is the end? Laal Meri is no chords there. and then an E flat chord in a second inversion. E flat. I would also add this little thing. So it's Laal Meri, so the end we play it like this. Laal Meri, at the chord. So once more. So that's it. So the way how you practice this is really step by step, part by part, and then glue the different parts together, and then you can play it entirely. To start, play it slow enough, and then you can speed up the tempo a bit. And if you know it really well, you can play together with the song or with a loop or with musicians, preferably, of course. Now, this is just an exercise to learn how to play a melody with chords at the same time. So this is not the way how we would play this song when you have a band or singers, right? So we would play a little bit different. We will not play so much the melody, just more chords and rhythm patterns. But this is a very interesting exercise to train our ability to play chords and melody together. It's very beautiful, right? So enjoy the process of learning and to your evolution. Thank you. Namaste. If you like this video, you can always support me by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell and becoming a member of the Facebook community. And if you want to discover more about the Harmonium Evolution course and what it can offer you, you can go to my website harmoniumevolution.com, watch a free masterclass. So for now, I wish you all the best. Enjoy the playing of the harmonium, such a beautiful instrument, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.